Hey guys, good morning, and tips and tricks video today, and this is kind of a fun one. This is the Talos, the newest series of Validator by, of course, the Kleen Corporation, CPI. And what we're going to show you here is a little bit about it. This is the unit, I'd have to look at the model, but this is the one that takes 1s through 20s. They also have a model for gaming that takes also 50s and 100s. So we're going to show you how this is programmed. So I printed out the program sheets, and as you can see, to show you a close-up of it, this is the actual size program card. And I think what I better do here on the Talos that we sell off our website to avoid a lot of questions and having you search for this stuff online is I'll send you these two sheets. It's just a minor programming guide, plus it has the very important familiar to the MEI people, the programming card, so you can enable and disable certain bills. And it does say that they were sent out as a default accepting 1s through 20s, harness always enabled, 1 pulse per dollar, you know, the common settings. But if you have to change it, you're certainly going to need one of these program cards and a little bit of knowledge on how it's done. But in any case, let me show you what we have here on the bench. We will zoom in here to our specimen. Alright, so this is the, I'm going to show you so we know together, Talos T7T2. And of course the U5, once again, like everything that MEI made, that's just the box. That's a 500 note box. Okay, so let's show you. We already have it on. It's hooked up to our bench tester here. And we'll run a few bills through it. I programmed this one already, but I'm going to show you again how it's done. I have it set on low security. These bills that I'm using are kind of soft, but it takes them. And my thought is, how many people ever get counterfeit bills in a soda or snack machine? If they want to put these bills in, accept them. Don't kick them back. A lot of times people get mad and they don't go get a different bill. But anyways, I don't have a 10 here handy. Somebody bought lunch with it yesterday, I assume. We won't name any names. Okay, so to program these guys, now you'll notice the box, it's one-sided as far as how the bills come out. Not quite sure why they did that, but alright, you need some kind of a small screwdriver. This is the very smallest Craftsman, and there is a little hole right there. That is where you initiate the programming. So watch what I do. I can feel it click. Put the bill box back on, and you see the fast flash. Okay. Now what we do is we put our programming card in there. They give you a little bit of time. Kicks it back out. Now it's a little bit, there you go, a little bit slower flash, then it goes to the fast flash. It has an explanation of what it's doing here. So what we need to do is we need to wait till it gets back in the acceptance mode, which takes, oh, I don't know, 10 seconds probably. I've done it a few times just to learn. Definitely a nice bright front bezel. Okay, now this should be ready to accept. Let's see if we did everything correctly. Alright, this is what I thought. You may have to do a reboot. No, it just didn't like that bill. Okay, I was thinking I had to reboot, shut the tester off, but maybe not. Alright, 1s, 5s. Like I said, these are sort of some crappy bills. We keep them around here for this reason on the bench, so we know it takes them. And that was our 20. So anyways, it just didn't like the first bill. So guys, the Talos, this is the newest version. I'm going to have to do a little fact finding on the bezel. Everything looks to be identical as far as size. I'm sure we can swap this high visibility bezel with, say, something for a change machine, such as a American changer. We can put the bezel on with the small opening. And to show you that, this is what I mean. This is so that will stick through the front of a American changer, high security. And as we thought, they wouldn't be crazy enough to change the front bezel size, which they haven't. So anyways, guys, I have a link to these to our page. We have a limited number. These are brand new, out of the box. They came in without a box, and what that normally means is they have installed these in equipment, and then the equipment went out with something different, such as a card reader, maybe a Talos with a recycler, which would be different. And so I'll put a link to these on our site. And like I said, I think I might put a link to the programming cards where I found them. I found these on a friendly competitor's website. When I say friendly, good people. So maybe I'll give them a plug, being as they're so kind as to have this on their site. So guys, for now, appreciate you watching. If you have not subscribed, help a small channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be messaged or alerted to these new videos, kindly click that bell. For now, Doug at Doug's World Tour Vending Channel, out.